Welcome back to ICC Help YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the quadratic equation in one variable, three topics. You have read the first three topics in our first video. What is quadratic equation and the solution or root of the quadratic equation, and how can we solve the quadratic equation by factorization. These three topics you have learnt in our first video, and in this video, in this second video, you will learn solving by formula. How can you solve the quadratic equation by formula, because somewhere there is no split, no common in the quadratic equation, then factorization system is not working well, then you can use the formula. Nature of root is the fifth point. Nature of root, you can get the nature of the root without solving the quadratic equation. And the sixth point is the problem on quadratic equation. In your daily life, there are many word problems in which the solution can be get by solving quadratic equation. Now, solving by formula. When we can use the formula, if there is no splitting between constant term c and the coefficient of x square a, then we can use the formula. Or in your question paper, if it is said that solve this quadratic equation by formula, then you can use the formula. It is very simple formula known as Sridharacharya formula. Sridharacharya, the value of x equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We know that there is two answers in quadratic equation. So the first answer is in plus and the second answer is in minus. But we simply write plus and minus both, although it should be written in two types formula. First of all this, and second is this. But during solution, we can write it plus and minus simultaneously. Let taking one example, we solve the quadratic equation by using formula 2x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. This quadratic equation should be solved first of all by change the equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if it is not in this form. But in this example, the quadratic equation is already in this design, in this form, in this fashion. So second topic, compare the equation by this ax square plus bx plus c to get the value of a, b and c. Comparing the ax square, bx plus c is equal to 0 of this quadratic equation, we get that a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to plus 6. Now, the third topic, apply formula. The first topic, change the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. The second topic, compare the equation in the form of ax square bx plus c to get the value of a, b and c. And the third topic, apply the formula. Apply the formula. X equal to minus b What is b? Minus 7 plus minus b square minus 7 square minus 4a is 2 c 6 upon 2a 2 into a 2 minus minus plus 7 plus minus 49 4 2 जा 8 8 6 जा 48 4 2 जा 8 8 6 जा 48 upon 4 is equal to 7 plus minus 49 48 1 upon 4 or 7 plus minus 1 upon 4 or now 7 plus 1 upon 4 or 7 minus 1 upon 4. Separate the plus and minus sign into two different topics. 7 plus 1 8 upon 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 1 6 upon 4 3 upon 2 is the solution. There are two solutions 2 or 3 upon 2 of this quadratic equation. To solve the quadratic equation by using formula, you should learn the 3 points. First of all, convert the equation in this design. If there is root, if there is fraction, change necessary, make necessary change to convert the quadratic equation in this design. And then compare the equation by this x square plus bx plus c to get the value of a, b, c, and then apply the formula. And after solving, plug from this point, separate the plus and separate the minus of 2 points to get the two answers. Now we will discuss about the fifth point, nature of root. How can get the nature of quadratic equation without solving? The guessing of nature of the solution without solving, without formula or without factorization, you can apply simple formula known as discriminant. D is equal to discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. First of all, the conversion should be done to the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. After converting the equation in this design, compare the equation with this to get the value of a, b and c. Third, apply in D. Apply in D to get the nature of root. Let any example in which nature of root should be find out the 3x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation and we should know to the nature of root without solving. First of all, we should convert this equation in this form. But we know that it is already in this design ax square plus bx plus c. Now the second point, compare and get the value of a, b, c. After comparing it from ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the a is 3, b is minus 5 and c is minus 2. And the third point, apply the d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 5 square minus 4a 3 c minus 2. 25 4 3 12, 12 2 24, is equal to 49. The value of D is 49. Now, how can you guess the nature? By guessing the nature, if D greater than 0, then root real root. If D equal 0, then root real and same, real and different. And if D less than 0, then no root, no real root. What is the value of D? Plus 49. This confirms that it is fixed in this. D is equal to greater than 0. Hence, root is real and different. So, root is real and different. If the value of D is equal 0, then what is the nature of root? Real and same. If the value of D is negative, it means less than 0, then what is the nature of root? The value of nature of the root is no real root. You have discussed the solving by formula and nature of root. Now, problem on quadratic equation. This is the important topic, and one or two questions of this topic always get placed in the board exam paper. Since last 10 years, you can visit the 10-year solved question paper and see that there are one or two problems in problem on quadratic equation. To find the quadratic equation solution, first of all, let the unknown as x. Suppose the unknown quantity as x. And second point, applying condition, make a formula, make a equation using x. X should be used in the equation by focusing the condition. And the third point, solve the equation by factorization or by formula. And the third point, fourth point is value of x is answer. These points should be focused before solving the quadratic equation problem. Unknown quantities should be suppose that x and apply the condition, make equation using these x and solve the quadratic equation by factorization or by formula, and then value of x is the answer. Taking an example, we will solve a problem of quadratic equation. First of all, question 1 of ML Agarwal of ICSE class 10 में, find two consecutive natural number. Let two consecutive natural number are x plus 1. Find two consecutive natural number such that sum of their square 61. Sum of their square first and second square is 61. Condition. According condition. Find two natural number in sequence. Let natural number are x and x plus 1. That the sum of their square of first and square of second, and the sum is 61. It is told in the condition. Now we will solve the equation a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 61. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 61, 0. 2x square plus 2x minus 60 is equal to 0. Dividing the whole equation by 2, x square plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Divide by 2 both sides of equation. Now compare these equation by ax square plus bx plus c. The 30 it should be broken so that answer is 1. 6 5 is 30. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, which is B. X square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30 is equal to 0. X by taking common, x plus 6 minus 5 x plus 6 is equal to 0. Taking again common in 2 term, x plus 6 is common, x minus 5 is equal to 0. By applying zero product rule, the product of two items is 0. It is only possible if x plus 6 0 or x minus 5 0. If x plus 6 0, then x is equal to minus 6. Or if x minus 5 0, then x is equal to 5. But question has said that it is natural number. So negative value is not possible. So answer is x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 and second number x plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So answer is 5 and 6. This is the answer. If you feel any problem solving the exercise of quadratic equation one variable, you can visit icchealth.com to get the solution of ML Agarwal, O.P. Malhotra, S. Chand, Concise Kalina, R.S. Agarwal, or any other famous publication. Thank you, icchealth.com.